For years, we've been told that eggs are the best food for building muscle. But what if I told you that you could forget eggs entirely and still build lean, strong muscle, even at age 70, using some of the cheapest foods already sitting in your kitchen?
Hi, I'm Dr. William Lee.
I study how the body heals and thrives through the foods we eat. And today, I'm going to show you how to maintain, and even grow, muscle after 50, without relying on expensive supplements, protein powders, or even eggs. The truth is, after age 50, your body changes in ways that make it harder to build and keep muscle. It's not just about age, it's about biology. Once you cross that milestone, your muscle fibers begin to shrink, and your body becomes less efficient at using protein to rebuild them. This process, known as anabolic resistance, means your muscles don't respond to protein the way they did when you were 25. You might notice softer arms, faster fatigue, or that everyday tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries feel heavier. It's not your fault. Your metabolism and muscle signaling pathways simply slow down. Most people think the solution is just to eat more protein, more meat, more eggs, more shakes, but that's only half the story. The real key lies in the quality of your protein, how well your body absorbs it, and what you eat alongside it. Some foods not only provide protein, but actually activate your muscle stem cells, turning on your body's natural repair and growth systems. That means even in your 60s or 70s, you can still tell your body, it's time to rebuild. And here's the best part. You don't need fancy supplements or pricey protein powders. Nature has already given us everything we need, and most of these foods cost less than a cup of coffee. But before I show you the 7 powerful foods that help build muscle even at 70, there's something vital you need to understand. Timing. When you eat is almost as important as what you eat. Most people over 50 either skip breakfast or eat something sugary like cereal or toast. That's a mistake. When you wake up, your body is in a fasted state and your muscles are like dry sponges, ready to absorb nutrients. That first meal of the day switches on your muscle-building signals. If you skip it or fill it with empty carbs, you miss your best window for growth and repair. Another hidden factor few people talk about is inflammation. As we age, low-grade inflammation creeps in, silently breaking down muscle and blocking recovery. So even if you eat enough protein, your body can't use it effectively if inflammation is in the way. That's why the foods I'm about to share do more than feed your muscles. They calm inflammation, improve blood flow, and restore communication between your brain, hormones, and muscles. That's how real longevity works. By working with your body, not against it. Let's dive in. These 7 foods are affordable, accessible, and backed by science. Each one supports muscle repair, strength, and endurance, even in your later years. Number 1, lentils. Simple but powerful, lentils are rich in plant-based protein and loaded with polyphenols and prebiotic fiber that nourish your gut microbiome. And here's why that matters. Your gut bacteria play a major role in how efficiently your body absorbs amino acids, the building blocks of muscle. A healthy gut means better protein absorption and stronger muscles. 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you about 18 grams of protein, roughly the same as 3 eggs, but without cholesterol or saturated fat. Their slow digestion provides a steady stream of amino acids for hours, fueling muscle repair all day long. Try pairing lentils with olive oil or leafy greens for an easy, muscle-friendly meal. Number 2, canned sardines. They might not be everyone's favorite, but sardines are one of the most nutrient-dense, budget-friendly foods on the planet. A single can packs around 22 grams of high-quality protein and is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These fatty acids fight inflammation and boost muscle protein synthesis, helping your body use protein more efficiently. Research from Washington University even showed that older adults who took omega-3s daily increased muscle mass and strength. Sardines also provide calcium, vitamin D, and CoQ10, all essential for energy and recovery. If you don't like the taste, mix them into pasta or mash them with avocado and lemon juice for a simple, healthy spread. Number 3, tofu. Tofu is a quiet powerhouse. Made from soybeans, it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's especially rich in leucine, the amino acid that flips on your body's muscle-building switch, the mTOR pathway. And tofu's natural isoflavones help balance hormones and reduce inflammation that often slows muscle repair in aging men. Combined with foods like lentils or vegetables, tofu forms a perfect protein synergy that helps muscles stay strong and active. Number 4. Beets. Beets don't contain much protein, but what they do offer is remarkable. They're loaded with natural nitrates that convert to nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and boosts circulation. That means more oxygen and nutrients can reach your muscles, helping them perform better and recover faster. Beetroot juice has even been shown to improve muscle efficiency, making exercise feel easier. Try roasted beets or a small glass of beet juice before a walk. You'll feel the difference in endurance and recovery. Number 5. Cottage cheese. This is one of the best bedtime foods for muscle repair. Cottage cheese contains casein protein, which digests slowly and releases amino acids over several hours. That means while you sleep, your muscles continue rebuilding. Studies show that older adults who eat casein before bed actually increase muscle synthesis overnight. Cottage cheese also provides calcium, vitamin B12, and probiotics, great for bone health and digestion. Add berries or honey for a delicious nighttime snack that supports overnight repair. Number 6. Spinach. Spinach is packed with magnesium, iron, and a natural compound called each-disteroid, sometimes referred to as a plant steroid. It's completely safe and has been shown to enhance muscle growth by improving protein synthesis. Magnesium helps muscles relax and recover, while iron supports oxygen flow for lasting energy. Whether you add spinach to a smoothie, saute it with garlic, or toss it into a stir-fry, even a handful a day can make a visible difference in muscle tone and vitality. Number 7. Oats. Oats might not sound exciting, but they're one of the best muscle-building foods you can eat. While protein helps you grow muscle, your body also needs energy to use that protein effectively. Oats provide slow-digesting carbohydrates that fuel your muscles, stabilize blood sugar, and prevent your body from breaking down muscle for energy. They're also rich in beta-glucans and antioxidants that improve circulation and reduce inflammation. A bowl of oats in the morning, paired with cottage cheese or nuts, gives your muscles the energy they need to rebuild all day. Now let's bring it all together. Lentils, sardines, tofu, beets, cottage cheese, spinach, and oats. 7 humble foods that work together like a symphony. Lentils give clean plant protein, sardines reduce inflammation, tofu activates muscle growth, beets improve blood flow, cottage cheese supports overnight repair, spinach fuels strength, and oats provide energy to keep it all running. A simple plan might look like this: oats and cottage cheese for breakfast, lentil and spinach salad for lunch, tofu stir-fry with beets for dinner, and cottage cheese again before bed. No powders, no pills, just real food that works with your body's biology. Because even though your body ages, your ability to grow stronger doesn't have to fade. You can rebuild muscle, improve balance, and regain confidence at any age. All it takes is the right foods, the right timing, and the belief that strength is still within you. So yes, forget eggs, because now you know there are better, cheaper, and more powerful foods waiting to help you build muscle naturally, even at 7.